guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to your Sunday video. This is the first of a few Sunday videos you're going to get today, so I'm kind of bombarding you guys a little bit. What I wanted to do today is just give you guys a bit of an update across a number of different topics. So I know a lot of people watch YouTube quite a bit on a Sunday as they kind of get going about their day and just preparing for the week ahead. I thought I'd give you a bit of a Style with Substance marathon, if you like. So the first of those videos today will be a what's in my bag video. Now, as you'll have seen from the title, this is a dupe. Now, I say dupe, but I think people kind of use this word interchangeably a little bit. So dupe generally tends to be a duplicate or an item that is a similar style to another item. So I guess in the fashion industry it will be a dupe for a designer item of clothing or handbag or pair of shoes or whatever. So I have been eyeing up the Celine belt bag for a while, and I came across this website which I've used before, definitely, which does a lot of dupes for sort of high-end bags. And what I tend to do is I will check out dupes, I will carry them around for a bit and decide whether or not that item is the item for me based on the style, its practicality, and if I enjoy holding it and if it goes well with my outfits. So I went onto ioffer.com and bit the bullet and picked up this Celine belt bag dupe. Now, when I got it, I didn't know that it would come with the Celine Paris logo on the front. I tend to veer away from the bags where they have the logo just because I'm not buying a dupe so that it looks like I have the real thing and I don't. I just like this. I want to check out the style and see whether or not it works for me. This is the bag itself. This is my current work bag. And if I enjoy it and if I like carrying it and if it becomes practical for me, then I will invest in the real thing later on in the year. But I wanted to do a mini review of the style of bag and also just kind of show you what I've been carrying around with me of late. So if you like the sound of that and if you have not been mind numbed by this really long intro, then please keep watching. It is black. I got it in black because if I'm going to buy an everyday handbag, it just has to go with everything. It looks like that at the front. It's got the belt that goes across the flap, and then at the back this is where you would clip in the longer strap, which this also came with. It's very cute. It's small, which is important for me because I have become a bandit when it comes to carrying around large bags that I put too much in. So this is good to keep me, you know, restrained. Love the shape of it. This sort of triangle shape is very much my speed, and I love the way that the belt comes across and then the two straps just fall away at the side. It kind of creates some really nice shapes and makes it really nice and asymmetrical. Let's get into it. In terms of how it opens, it is a bit of a faff, and for my US viewers, faff means hassle, basically. You have to, first of all, open the button at the front, pull the flap out, and then there's a zip. So I don't normally have the zip closed. I tend to keep it open, but for security purposes it's nice to know that there is a zip. I don't know, and I don't think the real version has a zip, but you guys are maybe let me know if you're familiar with it. And then it just reveals all the stuff I have inside. So let me take that all out one by one. First item, you will always see this in a what's in my bag video, is my hairbrush. I carry this with me every day because hair needs brushing. My sunglasses, is despite the fact that we are really just coming out of winter in the UK when we should be in spring, I always carry these because in the morning when I'm driving to work the sun does tend to peek through quite a little bit. I drive to work quite early, so tend to sometimes catch sunrise. So yeah, I just keep my Ray-Bans in here. These are just simple black aviators. They're like really big, like unnecessarily big. So I think I want to get another pair of these, but slightly smaller and with a gold rim. So the classic aviators. Another thing you've got to have in your bag as a Londoner is an umbrella. It doesn't matter what season you're in, it will rain at the drop of a hat, very randomly. So I carry this small umbrella with me. Then I have hand cream. So I've got the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream, which doubles up as a hand cream, body cream, lip balm. It's everything, and the smell is amazing. I love the smell. It's very thick, so I would use it as a lip balm because it's quite hard to like melt into your hands as a hand cream. But if you want something that's going to be very long lasting, keep your hands very well moisturised throughout the day, and you're not going to be washing your hands loads, then this is the one. Something that has been getting a lot of use are gloves. So it's these gloves. They are lined on the inside and they are faux leather on the outside. So they're just for when it gets really cold, basically. Then I have my cosmetics pouch. So this has just got mostly lip products in here. I could go into detail, but I might not. But I've got a mirror in here. I've got some lip balm. I've got like lip glosses. I've got lipsticks, loads of Revlon lipsticks, a couple of MAC lipsticks, lip liners, you know, the usual. But yeah, it's just this tiny pouch that I got from a store called Roman. It's kind of like a faux crop / snake print on that. So that always is in my bags. What have I got here? Oh, I've got car keys, house keys, a Barefoot Wine keyring because, you know, you've just got to let the world know that you're a wine lover. Tesco club card fob, which I never use. Yeah, and then those, you know, these, they're like coin thingies that you need for like the supermarket. So like if you are going to use a trolley and you don't have a pound on you, these are really handy. I've got a teasing comb, a brush, which I just use as a normal brush because fitting a normal size brush in this bag is kind of just asking for trouble, so this is really good. I have a pen. I have my current read, which is We're Gonna Need More Wine by Gabrielle Union, which I am loving at the moment. She is a really good storyteller, guys. I'm considering doing like just a dedicated book review for this because I think this book covers a lot of topics that are very relevant for young black women growing up in the modern day world, but also particularly in the entertainment industry, or in a world of, I guess, social media, if you like. So I might do a full review on this. Got some Tic Tacs, Freshman 100 in here, which is good. Okay, so we have one of those adapter thingies for if you have the new iPhone and you need to plug in headphones. In fact, I should really use this more. I have my work mobile, which is an iPhone 5, I think, and it comes in this really old man case. Probably why I rarely use it. I've got my business card holder, and I need to get some business cards for my channel. I just recently got my new business cards for my new job, so yeah, motivation. I've got a rollerball of Zara Orchid, another work ID card. And then, okay, so then last thing in the main pouch is, oh no, sorry, second to last thing, is a USB stick. This is, oh shoot, it's a ScanDisk, 32 gigabytes, so I can get a lot on there actually. I don't know why I don't use that. Then, this is also new, I also got it from iOffer, but it's a dupe for the Hermes, I think they're called the Dogon wallets. I would never spend that amount of money on a wallet, but I really like the style, so I thought I'd grab one of these. But basically, it looks like that. It's quite big, so you could kind of use it as a clutch as well, which I love about this. This would be really good for nights out. But it opens like this. It's kind of got a little strap, and then it kind of goes through this silver thing, and then it opens up like so. I feel like they could have got some card slots here. It's got these two pockets in the front, which I don't really keep anything in. And then it's got this card pouch, which you can kind of take out and use by itself. But it also doubles up as a coin wallet. So you can put your coins in there. Now, as you know, I never have any coins, so I just kind of leave it as it is. And then on the inside, it's got some more pockets. I guess you can keep cash in here. I've just got business cards. And then, yeah, it just looks like that. But I love it. I've kind of always wanted to get this in dupe form. But I feel like iOffer do the best dupes for these. So that is my current purse. But as you guys know, I also have a card wallet, which I carry around. And in here, I keep my bank card, my Oyster card, and my driver's license, because those are the cards I tend to use the most. And then I've got my work pass, another work pass in there. So that is everything in my bag. In terms of the bag itself, it's very light, like by itself. It's extremely light, which is great. So when I pack things in it, as I do with my bags, it doesn't get too heavy, and because it's quite small anyway, it can't get too heavy, as you can see. Yeah, it's just a really cute tote bag. I think this is definitely a sign of me getting older and realising I can't be carrying around tons and tons of stuff. It's going to kill my back. So yeah, that is my bag. If you want to find out where I got it, then it's just ioffer.com. I will see if I can find a link to a similar one and pop it in the description box below, along with a link to the purse if you guys are interested, along with a link to Gabrielle Union's We're Gonna Need More Wine. But yeah, that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will let you know if I decide that I do want the real version of this bag, but for now, that's it. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. Stick around because there will be another video after this one. Click the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video, because sometimes YouTube likes to play me like that. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!